In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect through Microsoft Teams in 2025 with easy step-by-step instructions. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these tips will help you seamlessly connect with your team. Let's dive in. First, you need to access Microsoft Teams. You have two primary options here. Download the Microsoft Teams app, which is available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices, or simply open the platform in your web browser by typing teams.microsoft.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign in using your Microsoft 365 account, or if you're using it for work or school, sign in with the relevant account credentials. This will give you access to your workspace and meetings. Now let's talk about how you can join a meeting. There are three main ways to do this. The first way is through a meeting link. Check your email or calendar invitation, and you'll find a link labeled Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Click on this link and you'll be prompted to choose between opening the meeting in the Teams app or staying in your browser. The choice is yours based on your preference and what's most convenient at the moment. The second method to join a meeting is directly from the Teams calendar. In the Teams app, find and click on the Calendar tab. Here you will see all your scheduled meetings. Find the one you want to join, select it, and then hit the Join button. This is a straightforward way to access meetings directly from Teams. If your Outlook calendar is synced with Teams, there's a third method available to you. Open your Outlook calendar and find the Teams meeting event you need to join. Once you select it, you'll see an option to join Teams meeting. Click this and you'll be on your way to participating in the meeting. Before you join, you're taken to the pre-join screen where you can make final adjustments to your audio and video settings. Here you can turn your camera on or off, mute or unmute your microphone, and select your preferred audio device, whether it be speakers, a headset, or a Bluetooth device. Taking a moment to configure these settings ensures a smooth entry into the conversation. During the meeting, connecting with your team is vital. Utilize the chat panel to send messages and share links effortlessly. If you need to present, you can share your screen or a presentation with just a click. Also, make use of the reactions and raise hand features to engage and signal participation without cutting off the current speaker. Finally, once the meeting wraps up, you'll want to click Leave, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. This concludes the call professionally and signifies your session has ended, and there you go.